is number 2. And you can dab it wherever you want. It can be a S shape, can be like anything. You don't have to be limited of where can you dab your fusioning. All right, you can, if you want to be like a dogger, add more like 1 layer, let it set and do another layer. You can get it to until you are going to get the way you want it. So here's Obsidian. Here's a request from Heels, and then he asking for this. And let's see what's up for this one. Oh, I love that. This is the Obsidian. So like have a really like, it's cool dark color. All right. So do not worry. It looks like, ooh, I know it's gonna turn out. But trust the progress, and you are going to using crystal clears. This is going to definitely change the game, and it will take your fusioning to be next level, and it make it like effortless. Like look like you don't. It looks like a lot of work, but actually it's not. So I removed a lot of the crystal clears and have just a little bit left in on my bristles, and I'm gonna start dabbing it. And blend it. So I'm gonna go it from a middle, I mean outside of towards the nails, and then I'm going to dab it.
So Anna, we have never tried it with water, so you can try it out and let us know how it goes.
Yes, let us know. It's gonna be so excited. So what I'm gonna do is guide it from the outside and morph it to being inside. And then you can just dab it outside, and then depend on how you want your vein to look. Gonna tap it. You can see that how I can move the veins the way you want it. You want thin veins, thick vein, and each time you're gonna pick up just a little bit of fusioning of crystal clears. You don't want to do a lot. Little go a long way, because you don't want to like flood it and it makes it looks like a bleeding looks, you know. And then you can stop at any time as you wish. I'm gonna make some of really a dogger. Oh, I like the looks a lot. And you can add more. You can start seeing and have some dark green by getting with the obsidians. See that how I can create this, the veining. And then you can add more. I'm liking it. Looks cool. Yeah. I just didn't want to do it on this side because I want to add some stickers and some crystal. That's why you see that I did this. However, you can add so many the way you wanted it. All right, so let it set for a second. I am really upset with the looks because get an idea for the stickers. All right, so I am going to using is Golden Touch. If you having your gel painting in the bottles with precision brush from Glitz, you can definitely use that. That's the gold colors as well. So I am going to using the twin tip brush and pick up some golden touch. I love one of the colors that doing it for veining is golden touch in the bottles. I mean in the pot as well, because it does give it really depth like finish.
Yes, and for all who are asking, so you can get all this product from our website official website at GlitzAccessoryandSuch.com. We do have a few products on Amazon, but right now on Amazon we only have the condensed glue gel and precision glue gel for your crystal need. Any other things? Please head over to the official website at GlitzAccessoryandSuch.com. Now, Nancy said today is the last day. We currently have the sale for stickers for $1 and everything else up to 50% off. So if you see some favorite product, this is your chance to get it.
Yes. All right. Here, let me is flash here for 30 seconds first because we're going to do some stickers. So I'm go ahead and add the top coat on it as well. The purpose of adding a top coat on the top first. Because when you add your stickers on, it's not only grab really good and sticks it on, and also it's not gonna have chance to get all the edges peel off. So I am going, this is the first look, so if you miss it, do not worry, I saved them all there for us. And we're gonna do a last step later. But now we are just finished gear, 30 seconds for that gel painting to be like flash gear set. Go ahead and using a no wipe top coat and floating applies it on the top here for 30 seconds, okay? And then we are going to using some beautiful stickers. This is like 1 out of 1,000 different stickers collection we have. So feel free to check them out, grab them before the sale's over. You've been asking for it, and then $1 sticker been back. It's been a while. It's been like for a long time. Thanks so much for your love and support. We can't wait to see your beautiful creation. And if you do create a lot of beautiful designs, don't forget to tag us so then we get an opportunity to feature your beautiful design. All right, so I really like having eyes on this beauty right there. I don't know what type of bird it is, but she's so definitely beautiful.
Yep, and she fit perfectly on that.
Yeah, did it on purpose. Just look, it's like forest, animal forest. And then, what is it, chipmunk? No.
Oh, swirl.
Swirl. Ah, if I put her here, then I have no space for crystal.
Well, your little animal can hold a crystal.
Yeah. And like you can add so many, you can layer them. It doesn't matter. Ah, it looks so stunning. I'll give her a little flowers. She's most likes. Oh, we'll get some mushroom on the bottom right there. This is now so adorable. You can tell I'm having fun, huh? It's like, it's so adorable. I guess it's so easy. You can definitely, whatever designs you are placing on it, it's gonna look at that. I need the deers on it too. There are no nails, no spray. Okay, maybe once fall leaves, then I'll be good. Promise. Maybe this. All right. That's it. No crystal. You can add crystal on as you wish. A little bit. Don't do too much because it's already beautiful. You know what? It looks really cool because without the background of fusioning, it doesn't create the looks of the background like this. So I love that how even like when I'm doing a little stickers or transfer foil, always add the fusionings on. It really make the looks is complete. In my opinion, it's really cool though, and it's make it so much easier. It's make it as a nail artist so much more fun and doesn't look plain look at all. So now if you're happy with this, I'm gonna using the tweezers end of the dual end tweezer. I love this. It just really finish it and give a good final rub, so then all the sticker will stay on like concrete until next time you are going to get the nails done. So I'm go ahead and using condensed glue gel. This is the first step. Form is crystal trifecta, and then we're going to the second step, which is no web top coat shortly before we apply the crystal. So I'm gonna do, you can see that I spread the bristles really like pressure it down because I don't want to be too much crystal. We are gonna add just some smaller crystal size on it because it's already so gorgeous and it's beautiful already. So you can definitely using like a bright colors for the background of the like all different season for anything. So I'm floating right on the top of the unkilled condensed glue gels, and then we're gonna add just few beautiful like I'm gonna use this. I took this from this grid right here. One like SS4, SS6, SS8, SS10, SS12, and SS16. I put it on my tray right here, so then that way I won't have to reach it every time we are doing the live, and it's my hands might get in the way.
Yeah, so we do have the kit. So you want to head over the crystal kit, either that or you go to new arrival. You will also see the kit over there. So you will have the kit with all the crystal, all the color, all the design, and all the metal charms.
Yes, that is the best to get. Yeah, I think it's for my, this is my favorite kit. Besides a lot of like the crystal kits AB, and this kit is just really is cool and stunning, and especially it's glow in the dark. It's just so stunning. You can create so many designs with this. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. That's it. You can add more as you wish. It's really dainty, and it looks like cover fall seasons, summer, the end of summer, fall. Okay, hold on. Look here.